Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Friday, November 14th. So, yeah, where are we today? Well, I actually read last night that the October numbers from the government shutdown probably will never be even released. So, either they don't have them or they're not going to get them. So, yay, let's just jump on into November, December with no October numbers. And the Fed's about to have another meeting with no numbers. So yeah, it's great, fantastic. I hope you can pick up the sarcasm there. Looking at the news, we've got forexfactory.com, 10:05 a.m. FOMC member Schmidt speaking. 10:30 we have natural gas storage. 2:30 p.m. we have FOMC member Logan, and at 3:20 FOMC member Bostic. So we've got a bunch of talking heads, no numbers, no data. There you go. And looking at the daily chart, look at this. After the ugly, ugly day yesterday, we managed to close above the 50-day moving average. However, we are gapping way, way down, a full 100 points down. So yeah, this is ugly, ugly, ugly. We came down, the low was just below that low volume node. It did bounce there. The low from last Friday is actually definitely within range. That would be 66.55 area. Let me tell you, if we blow below that, it could get nasty. Volume yesterday was above average, but not as big as I would expect it to be on such a big down day, but it is above average. Yeah, definitely in a medium-term, short-term downtrend. Still above the longer-term moving averages, the 100 and the 200-day. But this is looking really, really, really ugly. Moving on, looking at the inventory. So inventory was up. So you got to think about what in the world could cause this to happen. So I also watched the talking heads last night on TV, and they're claiming the buy the dip folks are coming in. Well, the buy the dip folks were unable to keep price from crashing yesterday. However, they did add inventory. So whether or not they are strong enough to go through this next move down, we'll have to wait and see. Doesn't look like it, at least initially, as we have negative inventory as we speak. We'll have to wait and see. But remember that the buy the dip folks are not the most sophisticated investors. And unfortunately, we've gotten away with buying the dip for so long that it's become sort of a thing. And when it doesn't work, it's going to be just absolutely nasty. So it would not surprise me if we take out last Friday's low, and we see a little bit of a volume spike as these buy the dip folks maybe start getting burned as things turn over. As you can see here from the overnight action, the high was 67.75. The low was almost 100 points lower. Where do we have support and resistance? So I scrunched this up a little bit. We've got resistance at 67.81, basically 6,800. That's going to be a big stretch. That would be way over a 100-point rally just to get above 6,800. I don't know if that's going to happen. It certainly could. 68.10, 68.20, 68.30 on the 10s. Where do we have support? Support is down low, 66.53. Notice that is right under the 66.55, which is the low from last Friday. We break below that. It's kind of look out below scenario. 66.40, 66.20. We'll go a little further to get some confluence. You have to go all the way down to 6,600. So, man, it is not a pretty looking thing today. Stock Traders Almanac is also not going to help. It's 42.9. 42.9. It's only a 42.9% chance the market will be up today. So yeah, so kind of a bleak outlook today. Remember, trade what you see, not what you think. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. We'll see you Monday morning. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.